Hello, I'm Mark, and today I'm gonna be fucking with the little toy. As you see, I have a little sketch of what I'm gonna do, and the first thing I do is grab some clay, and I'll grab all my little sculpting shit. So the first thing I do is cut off the little, I don't know what the fuck those things are. Like, I cut those things off, and then I stick a wire up its butt, as one does. Very good idea. What am I doing here? I'm massaging the face. That's a good way to put it. Now it's some fun time with clay. So I grab part A and then part B. And these is an epoxy clay, so you just grab two parts, mix it together, and they'll harden over time. This way I won't have to worry about baking and melting the plastic on the toy. Start off with the head. What I want to do is make the weird face, so I just kind of cover up. The rough parts of the Dremel kind of helps the clay stick on. Mark out the basic details. Then start working on the tiny little teeth. That sucks. The nose hole. And then I just try to blend it all out and now onto the back. I'm just gonna start putting out the spinal plates, or spine, whatever you call it. Start laying out the basic forms, work on the little butt tail thing more. And the cool thing with this clay is you can smooth it out with some water. Now a few spikes. Start off with the one on the left shoulder. And then a smaller one on the right. Really should have looked at some reference, because for the first like 3/4 I decided not to look online. Smart idea. And then it worked out. Then working a bit more on the tail. It's kind of like a necklace where I have one wire and then just the other beads rolling across it. Now working a bit more on the head. With the Dremel I can clean it up. And the main thing I usually use it for is to take out my fingerprints, just kind of smooth it out and do any finishing touches I couldn't do before when it's more malleable. And lucky for you, the noise of this thing's off. It's fucking loud, man. It sucks. Again, I'm working a little bit more on the tail. Couldn't really decide how long I wanted it, so I just made sure to make a wire extra long in case I wanted it extra long. And then again, I made up some more of that clay to work with. As you can tell, I'm not really taking my time. I drink too many monsters and just kind of going at my own pace. It's amazing what you can do with caffeine, man. Highly recommend it. And now for the fun painting time. Got a goop a little right here. And spread that goop. And goop a little over here. And once again, spread out that goop a little more. And with that goop, I'm going to dry brush it. Which, if you don't know what that means, And once I'm done with the paint job, it's all done. This was brought to you by Mark. Produced by Mark. Good night, I'm very tired. Hope you like it.